Alright students, so all of you did the game very well, and now I want to know how you're feeling after doing this game. How about Rati? How you're feeling after doing this game? Okay, I see this game was very interesting for you. And how about the others? Do you have any opinions? Do you have the same opinions with Rati or not? How about by you? How's your feeling after doing this game? This game was interesting also for you or not? Okay, I see. This game was also very interesting for you. Okay, students, so for this material today is about asking for and giving suggestions. Okay, does anyone of you still remembers about the materials what we learned for today? And can you make it the conclusions of this material? Does anyone want to share your opinions and make it the conclusions? Please, time's for you. Okay, how about Chica? Can you make it the conclusions about the topic that we learned today? Okay. Yes, alright. So for topic today is about asking for and giving suggestions. There is the expressions of giving and asking for suggestions, and there is the what did the type of asking for and giving suggestions is the good answer. How about the others? Do you have any suggestions or do you want to share your opinions about this? How about Nira? Can you make it the conclusions also? Okay. Yes, good job. You said that in asking for and giving suggestions, there is also the language features. You're all right. And using language features in here, so there is us using modal, simple present tense, and the others. Okay, how about the others? I want to know from Kirana. How about you? Can you make it the conclusion also? Or do you have the same opinions but with your other friends? Okay, can you mention this again about the language features, please? Okay, students, I want to ask for you. When that we making asking for suggestions, is there we need to the punctuations? Yes, your answer is correct. We need the punctuations when we make it asking for and giving suggestions. Okay, does anyone still remembers how the meanings of the suggestions? Does anyone want to share your opinions? Okay, Manda, please. Okay, your answer is great. How about the other? Okay, based on from your friends giving their conclusions about these materials, there is say about the meaning of suggestions, there is say about the language features and the type of expressions. Okay, so this moment I will conclude that what we learned today from the introductions also. Giving and responding to suggestions are expressions used to express ways and give to a response and to suggestion. Suggestion is the expressions or writings about what someone should do. The functions of suggestions are to advise someone about something, and the purpose, an idea or plan to be considered by people. And about the type, the suggestions is divided into 4 expressions. There are asking for suggestions, giving suggestion, responding suggestions. When responding suggestions, it can maybe accepting or it can maybe refusing. And The next one is about the language features used in asking and responding expressions or suggestions. Are the first one is using modal like must, have, might, suits, and the others. The second one is using simple present tense. So while we make it the asking for and suggestions, we using simple present tense. And the last one, like the minute said, that using punctuations like maybe questions and exclamation marks. And okay, students, for next week, we still learn about asking for and giving suggestions, but I will give you some videos and you should analyze that video, which one is the expressions that use and what is the language features that use based on that video, of course, about asking for and giving suggestion. Okay, students, what we are going to learn next week. Okay, good. Okay, so I think that's all for our meeting today. Okay, students, before I close this meeting, is there anyone want to ask questions about these materials or about the tasks and about the meeting that will be due next week? Is there any questions? Mira, do you have any questions about this topic? Is it clear? Okay. How about Ratna? Do you have any questions about this topic? Okay. Okay, so all of you is clear about this topic. Close this meeting with Parama Santi. Santi, and see you next week, students.